Hello friends, today we will see about planter from the course Farm Machinery and Power. So this is the figure of bullock drawn or you can say animal drawn Jyoti multi-crop planter developed by MPKV Rahuri. First of all, we should know that what is the difference between seed drill and planter. Planter is nothing but the seed drill. Only difference is that planter is used for larger size seeds, and in planter seed to seed or you can say plant to plant distance is maintained, and also row to row distance is maintained. So this is the difference between seed drill and the planter. It is normally used for those seeds which are larger in size and cannot be used or sown by usual seed drills. Function to open furrow. Second function to meter the seed. Then the function to deposit the seeds in furrows, and then to cover the seeds and compact the soil over it. Components of the planter. Hopper. A planter has seed hopper for each row. Feed metering device, or it is a seed metering device. Knockout arrangement. Cut-off mechanism. Furrow opener. Other accessories. Transport wheel. We will see about the seed metering devices. It consists of horizontal rotating plate at the bottom of each seed hopper. The horizontal rotating plates have got suitable notches or holes called cell. Depending upon the type of notches on the plates, it is of three types: edge drop, flat drop, and heel drop. This is the figure of edge drop metering mechanism. This is the back and front view of this metering mechanism. The edge drop carries the seeds on the edges of the cell of the plate. Flat drop. The flat drop carries the seed on a flat in the cell of the plate. Only one seed is allowed in the cell at each time. Heel drop. In heel drop, the cell around the edge of the plate are large enough to admit several seeds at a time. So this is the figure of edge drop. You can say seed in seed box. This is the seed box. Then vertical plate, seed delivery tube. This is about the heel drop, the figure of heel drop, a metering mechanism. Seed metering mechanism having some components like cut-off mechanism. It has some certain function of each mechanism. The cut-off mechanism receives the seed from the hopper. This is the rotating plate which receives the seed from the hopper. The plate moves under an arrangement called cut off, which allows only those seeds which are accommodated in the seed. The larger side seed are thrown out. Cut-off mechanism cuts off or brushes out excess seeds from the cells. This is also one function of cut-off mechanism. Then there is knockout mechanism. It is a device which knocks out the seeds from the cells or picker heads of the mechanism. It consists of rollers, star wheels or rounded points which are forced into the cells by pressure of spring and eject seeds out of the cells. The accuracy of planter depends upon these factors: speed of the seed plate, shape and size of cells, then shape of hopper bottom, uniformity of seed size. Planter is usually used for those seeds which are required to be sown at equal intervals between plant to plant. Means plant to plant and row to row distance is maintained in planter, which is not maintained in seed drill.